Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser on Motorola Razr 50 Ultra. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Firefox. And click search. And now click install. Now click open, and here you can set your default browser, or you can click cancel, and now you can add Firefox widget, or you can click not now. Here you can sign in, or you can click not now. Now you can turn notifications from this browser, or you can click not now again. And your Firefox browser is now installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.